How's it going, guys? Josh Olufemii here, live in LA. We're going to try to release a tutorial every day this month, so stay tuned. Remember, in the description of every one of these videos, you can get a free month of Envato elements below. It's amazing. We have in store for you today our next quick tip with Quinn.
Hey guys, I'm going to show you a trick on how to make your hyperlapses smoother and cleaner in Premiere Pro. So here I have all my individual images laid out in my timeline. When you play through it, it's pretty jittery and not very smooth at all. First thing you're going to do is click on this settings icon here and select Show Rulers and Show Guides. Then you're going to take your cursor and go to the edge of each ruler in your program screen and drag it to a point on your image that you're going to want to lock onto. So in this case, I want to lock into the singer who's center stage. And then you're going to want to scale in a little bit and reposition your photo to line up perfectly with the guides that you just placed. This part is a little bit tedious, but you're going to want to do this for every photo in your hyperlapse. So go ahead and realign everything to match up perfectly. And as you can see, it's already a little bit better, but we still need that extra step. So once you've done all that, you're going to want to highlight all of your images, right click, and then select Nest. Then you're going to want to go into your effects window and apply the warp stabilizer effect onto your nested sequence. Let that do its thing, and now you should have achieved that super smooth, clean hyperlapse effect. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let me know what you think, and let me know if this helps your hyperlapses. Also, feel free to check out my Instagram. I post a lot of BTS on how I create a lot of my content. If you head to my latest post and ask me a question, I will be sure to answer. See you guys there.
Quinn, thanks so much again for such an incredible tutorial. It's always good seeing you killing it on the East Coast. Thanks so much for watching the video, guys. I actually have 2 additional videos that you've got to watch. And remember to get your free month of Envato elements by clicking the link below in the description. Lastly, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, guys. And as always, remember to keep it chill.